Let us push. I don't hear anybody now. Hey, good try though!
That's the deadliest selfie stick ever, bro.
Hey guys, welcome to another Sergeant Nunton video. Now, before we actually get into the action part of this, let me give you a little background. Right now, we've already loaded up, we're ready to go, we're starting off the game. Now, what ends up happening is I start going through some buildings, but then I get to the far end of the field. There's a flat area towards the right side of the field where the video will catch up in a second. Alright, now what was going on is the game has officially started to start off the day. So the first game, everybody's pumped, ready to go, looking for enemies and shooting them, right? Now, the problem, not really for us, was imagine you're out there walking your dog, and all of a sudden there's a bunch of dudes dressed up in camo, having guns, and deciding to shoot at you. So nobody was really aiming at the guy, but apparently there was some random civilian, and not a civilian team player, but a regular person just out there walking their dog in the field, and he starts ducking for cover because there's BBs flying over his head. So we identify the problem, and we start calling out ceasefire. Nobody knows what the hell's going on, right? So blind man is the one where it stops the entire game. We were not trying to stop the entire game. We were just trying to get a ref to know that there was something going on, and it wasn't a blind man situation, but this particular area was a ceasefire situation. I'm gonna fast forward. So they end up coming up and asking, "What the hell? Why are you guys calling ceasefire?" So we explained to him that there's a civilian walking around with his dog. The ref calls out ceasefire basically, and kind of tells the guy, just go to the far end, kind of over the hill, so rounds don't actually start shooting at you. Everybody gets told on this side of the field that don't shoot the people with the dog. And then the guy finally leaves the area, and everything's all fine, right? Alright, so now let's get back to the video, and let's see some action.
Walking the dog on the field or something. Okay, game on, I guess.
Yeah, right behind you. Robo. Oh. Yeah. Hey, anyone in the building? Next building? Hey, anybody know what's opening in the next building? Is the next building friendly? Don't know yet. You got an extra ammo? Come back to you. Come back to you. What's going on? Hey, brother. Hey, you're all the way clear, all the way up to the fence line from this building. Yeah. Hey, bro, we made like a wall of people. All these buildings right here, all the way up to the fence line is clear.
Hey, is that your box back there? Hey, who is it? Wait, what are you guys talking about? Present for me!
There you go. Come on, take a picture of the serial number. You guys drop a block?
I'm out.
What's going on, brother? Yeah.
These guys are getting stuck in their spawn. Abandon this building for right now.
Roger. Hey, we gotta fall back the building. Hey, bro, we gotta fall back the building and wrap this thing. We're putting too much pressure. Hey, we gotta fall back the building. We're putting too much pressure on their spawn point. Yeah.
Start going that way, guys. No, that's fine. Yo!
Too much pressure, bro.
I know.
Too much pressure.
Middle window, top floor, building up.
Hey, they're flanking left. Flanking that way. Woo! Hey, they can see me from this building right here. Is that green or tan?
Friendlies are not in this building down here.
Alright, I'm gonna run across that way. I'm gonna try and clear it.
Fucking lit, dude.
Alright. Oh, no stairs. Good shit. You can't push no more? Hey, who's looking for a Glock? Hey, is good Glock?
Yeah.
So I think it's in this building or there? On the first
black
floor.
one?
Yeah. Left it on the floor. I took a picture of it though.
Returning a physical to the front.
Oh,
It's all black, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can. On this camera, man.
Whoa, there's another one. Whoa, holy shit. Shotgun. That was a shotgun.
Yep. Woo, what's ahead? What's ahead?
My knee pad's falling off, bro.
I got you covered, bro.
So we got civilians over here, right?
But, oh, they're 14. I love that. I think we got a runner coming right behind this building in front of us. think I just saw him cross the road.
See him in the window or something?
Hey! Good, man. Woo! I'll be back in 5 minutes, bro. I'm making my way up to you.
Every time they get hit in the goggles and
Are you with this big? Hey, is that game?
they're pushing us back.
Oh, they're pushing us back. Tag, you're it.
I knew it was you. This is what I got.
Oh,
we got
shit.
AK here too. Bang bang.
Oh, nice. I love AKs. My bad.
What's that?
What's that?
It looks like a payday 2 mask.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Whoa.
What happened? What happened? Oh, shit. Back up, back up.
We all just break.
We're just like chilling and talking.
Hey, you got some birds on your head.
Oh, birds.
Thank you.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna look as fresh as I can when I get shot.
It was great, man.
Sarge.
What's going on?
Healthy.
Love your AK, by the way.
Thank you.
You do the painting?
Yeah.
Nice. I normally run AK, but I just got this little guy. It's an ARP-9. You know Rainbow Six? Jackal's gun? It's like, selfie stick!
Selfie stick? That's the deadliest selfie stick ever, bro.
Selfie stick!
Selfie stick?
Hey, bro. There's a couple people in this building. I just went into.
I can take the bullet.
The building right where we were talking. Right here, right here. Take a left, take a left, take a left. In this building.
Go, man. Let's go. You're left.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
No. Alright. I think this is as far as we can go then, right?
So that's because they're firing at us.
Oh, okay.
Come out there.
Oh, the ref. I threw it at the ref. My bad, ref.
Damn, Joe. Shit.
Woo. You okay? There's glass right there. You can't get past this building right here. You good? Alright. Nope, straight ahead the tree. The tree. Yeah. Nice. I mean, we can't even push forward. They won't let us. They might as well reset. Oh, shit.
Not that friendly fire.
Front of us and to the left of people.
Got one. Got one right there. They're going into that building in front of us right here. Let us push. I don't hear anybody now. Hey, good try though. Good try, though. Oh! Game over! My last shot was a kill.
Awesome, GG.
Yeah, good job.
GG. Oh shit.
He was the one that dropped his Glock.
That was you? Yeah. Random. Then who? Why was that other kid trying to?
I know, right? See, that's what.
You dropped my Glock. You dropped my Glock.